Hi everyone, this is National Geographic Educator Certification capstone video. What have in common 1st and 10th grades related with Costa Rican rocky reefs? My name is Gerardo Palacios Martinez. I work in Lakeside International School, Costa Rica. We can start with the location of organisms on rocky reef based on local scientific paper, age of grade levels, 14 to 18, subject areas, biodiversity, total number of students reached 20. What did we do? Students did a summary of a local scientific paper related with rocky marine organisms. In groups, they designed a game, puzzle, or dynamic related with biology aspects. Then in groups, they went with 1st grade and teach them basic information about every organism. They went to a field trip to Rocky Reef. They did looking for marine organisms. Finally, they showed to them how marine organisms look and their most important characteristics. We saw snails, crabs, grilled stars, sea urchins, worms, fish, sea cucumbers, oysters, and others. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to, with direct and indirect observation of organisms, students will be able to identify marine rocky organisms and their characteristics. The use of local scientific paper. Practice trying to teach basic concepts to early year students. Explain to early year students some marine organisms and their care. What happened with human natural worlds, scales, and perspectives by National Geographic Educator Certification. I usually go with the students to study rocky coastal organisms. This program gave me the opportunity to improve this field trip, working with early year students and improve experiences of everyone. Children could teach us about different perspectives, and we could teach them about how to recognize these animals. Scales and perspectives. This activity focuses in perspectives like ecological, communicative, and educational. This activity put in contact two different groups of students with different education level. If they work together, can open common paths to learn together based in this kind of activities. Also helps in communication skills in local and regional scale, because this activity joins together different groups of students with different academic levels and different ages that involve new positive experiences for both. This game is an example of that. What happened with learning framework of National Geographic, for example, attitudes related with curiosity, responsibility, or empowerment? 10th grade students designed an activities to increase in understanding and empathy across differences in perspective with early year students. Related with the skills, for example, observation and collaboration. This project focused a lot in collaboration. 10th grade students worked with early year students. Older students helped a lot in every part of all the activity, creating strong bonds with children. They were aware and careful of every child, but also teaching every part. 10th grade students developed explanations, for example, that are supported by multiple sources of evidence consistent with scientific ideas based in a local scientific paper. The most important thing was that they saw that directly on the field trip. Related with the human journey, our changing planet, and wildlife and wild places. Older students took action on issues related to the protection of marine species. When they were concerned about marine animal care, they improved about the conservation of these organisms. My class did not provide or practice this kind of situations. It was amazing to see how 10th grade students were very responsible and focused in this activity. Everybody learned a lot. I listened to very fun experiences about this activity. It was interesting, so students trying different techniques for keep the attention of early year students. Most 10th grade students say that they enjoy a lot this activity. They're learning different topics and it was new for them. This activity could be adapted to different students from early years to high school. If you provide more material resources, the student imagination do the rest. Welcome to Marine Rocky Organisms in Costa Rica, to see sea urchin, corals, sea cucumbers, more corals, algae, snails, brittle stars, oysters, more snails, barnacles, sea slugs, chitons, and fish. Thanks for watching, Nadio, for everything. It was amazing pleasure to do this.